ThinkBook 14 Gen 4. The best laptops deliver results even when doing difficult tasks or working long hours. The ThinkBook 14 Gen 4 won't let you down, with up to 12th Gen Intel Core processors, dual SSD storage, and 16GB memory. Additionally, intelligent cooling keeps things running smoothly by adjusting performance based on fan speed, thermal capacity, and battery life. Sleek, distinctive look. The attractive, dual-tone ThinkBook 14 Gen 4 laptop is a feast for the eyes and packs a lot of power in a thin and light package, just 17.9mm, 0.7 inches thin and starting at 1.4 kilograms, 3.09 pounds. With extremely narrow bezels and an 86% screen-to-body ratio, the frame is barely any larger than the display itself, belying all the power lurking beneath the laptop's elegant surface. 4-in-1 card reader. Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, HDMI 2.1, RJ45, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, always on. Kensington lock slot, headphone, mic combo, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, full function, USB plus DP plus PD. Graphics options on the Lenovo ThinkBook 14 Gen 4 laptop include integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, among Intel's best. A high-resolution FHD display is available with optional 100% sRGB color gamut for true-to-life visuals, and TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification helps prevent eye fatigue.